recipes. French restaurant. Welcome to Kiki's French restaurant, where you can experience the best French cuisine. First, set the tableware. There are strict rules on the tableware setting in a French restaurant. Don't place them casually. Hello, can I have the menu? First, order an appetizer, not baguette. Then, select an entree, steak and fries. At last, choose a dessert, apple tart. Appetizer, not baguette. Choose the things you need. Food scale, utility knife, vegetable knife. The baguette is the most traditional French bread. It's long as a stick. Freshly baked baguettes are nice and crumbly and get better with every bite. Make nut baguettes. A standard baguette has a strict weight requirement. A baguette is long, just like a stick or rod. Use a knife to cut. Then, after it's baked, it will have a beautiful shape. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Oh, the finished baguette smells good. Spread on some delicious jam. Cheese, cheese. Ham, ham. Choose a nice-looking plate. Which nuts to choose? All of them are very tasty. Yeah, this baguette is quite good. Sorry for the wait. Here is your appetizer. Before starting to eat, fold your napkin in half and place it on your thigh. Entree, steak and fries. Choose the things you need. Slicer. Peeler. Potato. Steak. Steak and fries are a beloved staple food. Juicy steak paired with some crispy fries taste really delicious. Make steak and fries. First, marinate the steak. Salt. Black pepper. Medium well steak tastes nice and tender. Perfectly timing, turn off the heat. The steak is finished. Now go and make the fries. Salt. Black pepper. Flour. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Choose a nice-looking plate. All finished! The steak looks so delicious! Here is your entree. Bon appetit! If you are done eating, place your knife and fork to the right of your plate. Dessert, apple tart. Choose the things you need. Apple. Peeler. Frying pan. Apple tart mold. Apple tart naturally use apples as part of the filling. It tastes just as good as it looks. Make apple tarts. Add some sugar. Pour in some hot water. Stir the apple slices. Now let's make the apple tart crust. Then use the mold and press. Oh, the stacked apple slices look like pretty flower petals. Let's first set the temperature. Then set the cooking time. Use a glass to help remove the tart mold. Choose a nice-looking plate. Wow, this apple tart is perfect! Your dessert is here. Please enjoy. After eating, remember to use the corner of the napkin to wipe your mouth and fingers. Usually people would have a cup of coffee after the dessert, which signals the end of a French meal. Collect the tableware into the corresponding tub.